Welcome to Behind the Trigger. This is just going to be a quick video. You got to take this little tab, and I'm just using a little jeweler's screwdriver. So you got to take this little tab right here. You kind of got to get on the side and behind it. You got to push it, then push it into the channel where the striker assembly rides. And you got to take your finger and you got to work that dust cover off. And the reason I'm taking this off is because I do need to clean it. SIG does a SIG does a really good job of oiling their stuff before they ship it out. So, and you got to keep that striker safety pressed while you're pulling this out. So now here's the fun part, because now we got to push this back over and back in the channel. So it might be a little bit easier, it might not be. This is the first time I'm doing it, so we shall see. And you got to hold it there, and you just take your back and you cram it in there, then get your finger out of the way, straighten it out, push it back in, lock it in. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Till next time.